Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into something truly unique about Ishigaki Island. Something you won't typically find in your average travel guide. Utaki, the sacred groves of the Ryukyu's culture. Utaki are ancient spiritual sites where locals have prayed for centuries, whether it's for bountiful harvest, safe journeys at sea, or protection from natural disaster. They are not just historical landmarks, they are living connection to Ishigaki's rich culture and deep-rooted traditions. What's even more interesting is that you don't have to venture far into the wild to find them. Right here in Ishigaki City Center, there are several hidden Utaki scattered between modern buildings, parks, and even residential areas. In today's video, I'll take you on a walk around the heart of the city to explore 3 unique Utaki that tell the story of Ishigaki's spiritual past. So let's go together to discover each one with its own charm, history, and atmosphere. And here is what looks like a Utaki, just between 2 buildings. So it's not really a temple that you should walk in, okay? That's considered as a private place for the local community. It's not really a tourist place like the temples you usually see on Japan mainland. This is typical of the Ryukyu kingdom. This is a Utaki and not a temple or a shrine like you see on Honshu, so please refrain to enter it to respect the locals. Yeah, this is ghetto again. Remember the T? Ghetto. This Utaki is just by the road now, but it used to be by the sea. The beach, it used to be a beach here. So in the old days, people used to leave their boats, or little fishing boats, here, just in front of this arch of the Utaki. It is a place where the gods are free to come, go around, and that's why it's not accepted to anybody to walk in. It's not only the foreigners or the tourists, it's just even the local people don't walk in. It used to be the women, local community women, who or the woman priestess, who used to look after those places, the Utaki places. So that's why this is different than on the main island. You don't walk into the Utaki. It's different than the temples or shrines. In English it will be, Utaki will be like local shrines, but they are mostly dedicated to the nature. So they are not really dedicated to a specific god. It's not a god, it is basically the god's playing ground. They come around, like those people who are gone might come back here. So that's why it has to be it has to be respected. That's why I'm not giving you any orders, it's just I'm explaining that if you walk in, doesn't matter what nationality you are, or if you speak or not Japanese, you are not going to be welcome, basically. So yeah, so even some places you are not allowed to take pictures. So just have a look, respect the place. I have a crowd looking at me, checking what I'm doing. So it used to be a beach. The old man from my dojo was telling us this the other day, like when he was kid, it was a beach here. And now you can see it's a road. I'm grateful for all the new followers I have and for the comments. I always have so many comments, I'm super happy. So, what do you think about my haircut? I hope you like it. I do like it. I cut my hair myself. Why I do this is because, you know, almost 24 years in Japan, and I move a lot. And before Japan, I actually live in many countries, and it's very difficult to find consistent, nice haircut. I mean, it doesn't matter if I go to a cheap place or expensive place. It's very difficult to get 2 times the same happiness after my haircut is done. I mean, the haircut is done. So, since 2020-ish, I decided, okay, I bought my own clipper. You know, when everybody was at home and making how to cut your hair at home, I saw those videos and I said, okay, I'm gonna cut my hair. So what I do, I cut my hair. And of course I'm not a pro, and it's never looking the same twice, neither, but I'm always happy. And it doesn't matter even if I do it wrongly. After 3-4 days, the hair gets back to their way, and I forgot about it. The thing is, I pay myself. Why I do this is because cutting my hair myself is not to save money, but it's just like, since I do it myself, I was supposed to spend the money. So what I do is I buy some stocks, and those stocks give me some dividend. So over the years, it pays me. Yeah, I know it's not a big deal, but it keeps me happy. And you see, so let me know in the comments, what do you think about my hairstyle? Or if you have any advice or recommendation. Thank you, everybody. Now I'm going to the planetarium to watch the stars, movie about the stars at the port of Ishigaki. Thank you. Love you all.